All right, Ian, I wanted you and your wife to be able to hear this thing. Oh, it sounds really nice and clean. Also, pretty good and mean when I get on it. So, that stage 2 cam sounds really nice in here. Got a good tone. It's that 3.5-inch exhaust pipe with the Flowmaster 50 series. I didn't want it sticking out. Also wanted to kind of protect it from having mud thrown in it. Didn't want you catching your leg on it, but yeah, running really good. I am very excited to be able to take this out and go drive it here. I haven't hooked up the wideband yet, but oh, that thing sounds nice.